to Vlogmas. Today on Sensibly Frugal Living, I am going to be showing you some of the free printables you can get from my blog. They've been on there for a little while and they're totally free. You just need to download them straight off the blog post. There's no entering emails, there's no signing up for anything. It's just free. And these make brilliant Christmas gifts, and I'm going to show you how. So this is how they print when you download them. I did 2 to a page to get this to-do list this size, A5 size, but you can print it A4. These bookmarks, you get 4, and you get 2 pages of IOU vouchers. Here's the IOU vouchers. You get 8. These are great if you are strapped for cash or trying to stick to a budget. These are a free gift idea because you can gift your time. If you've got somebody you don't know what to buy for, but you know, they'd appreciate you looking after the kids one evening or mowing their lawn or walking their dog, this is brilliant for that. This card entitles you to, and you can write there what you're willing to gift, because the gift of time is amazing, and sign it. You've got 8 of these, like I said, and I will reiterate, you don't have to do anything other than download these straight from the blog post. I will put the links in the description box below. Whether you gift just one in a card or all of them to one person with IOU a cooked dinner, IOU a car wash, anything like that, this is perfect for that and helps you stick to your budget, but it's still a thoughtful gift. You can also print these out on card. I've just done it on paper, and you can also laminate them. The same goes with the bookmarks. You can print them out on card or you can laminate them. So each one says something different. Reading keeps me sane. Dare to interrupt a reader. Shut it, I'm reading. Fictional people are better. So you can print these out, gift all 4 to one person, or you can make a bookmark and gift it with a thrifted book. And that would be a nice, thoughtful but cheap gift idea. But again, like I said, you can gift all 4. Just print them out on card or laminate them, put them together and wrap them up in a nice little bow. Now this is my favourite of the free printables. It's a to-do list, but you can turn this into a very special to-do list by laminating it for somebody who likes to stick it on their fridge, gifting it with a whiteboard pen, and then they can rub it off at the end of the day, write it again, rub it off at the end of that day. So these are reusable. Or if you want something to look a bit smarter, a bit fancier, you can gift it in a frame. And again, gift it with a whiteboard pen and they can write it on and wash it off. And here you go. I think this would be great for someone's desk or in their office, and because it's in the frame, you can use a whiteboard marker and wipe it clean. This frame I found in Poundland for 50p after the Father's Day, in the Father's Day sale should I say. 50p, but you can thrift a frame, use one you've already got, or like I said, you can just laminate it. These work a treat, especially if you've got someone in your life who is very busy, and at the end of the day it just wipes off and they can start again. So please check out the links below if you're interested in any of these. 100% free, and they will help you stick to a budget this Christmas time. So thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on tomorrow's Vlogmas video.